Want to make real money online, but have no idea where to start? You're not alone. Most people get lost in the maze of endless, make money online schemes. But what if there was a proven, beginner-friendly way to build a real online business, even with no experience, no website, and no technical skills? Introducing, Discover How to Make Your First Dollar Online, the free mini-course that breaks down the secrets to online success. Forget about complicated products, confusing services, or expensive tools. Learn from real online entrepreneurs who've built profitable businesses from scratch. Here's what you'll learn. Find your profitable niche without being overwhelmed. Turn your passions into income, yes, really. Attract customers like magic, even with no followers. Make your first dollar online, faster than you think. Stop scrolling through empty promises and start building your online dream. This free mini-course is your roadmap to success. Limited spots available. Sign up for Discover How to Make Your First Dollar Online right now. Seats are filling up fast, so don't miss out. Make this year the one you finally turn your online dreams into reality. See you there.